come along, meet new friend and sing a song on. Cluck and moo, honk and bray, let's learn English words today.
Hello, little friends. Are you ready to meet some farm animals? Let's go to the farm and say hello to our animal friends. Subscribe to meet more animal friends.
T is for turkey, feathers wide. Toby the turkey walks with pride. Red wattle hangs beneath his beak. Say turkey nice and clear this week.
Say it with me.
Turkey, turkey.
D is for donkey, fur gray brown. Danny the donkey trots through town. With long ears standing tall and neat, say donkey tap your feet.
Say it with me.
Donkey, donkey.
G is for goose with feathers white. Gus the goose honks with delight. He swims and walks around the farm. Say goose, it's full of charm.
Say it with me.
Goose, goose.
B is for buffalo, horn so long. Benny the buffalo, strong and strong, with dark brown coat and heavy frame. Say buffalo, join the game. B is for buffalo, horn so long. Benny the buffalo, strong and strong, with dark brown coat and heavy frame. Say buffalo, join the game.
Say it with me.
Buffalo, buffalo.
Wow, it was so much fun meeting our animal friends. Now it's time to play. Are you ready to play, dance, and guess with your animal friends? Let's go. Let's find Gus. Number 1. Number 5. Wrong. Pick again. Number 5. Number 3. Wow, that's right.
Say it with me.
Goose. Can you help Toby find his corn? Which one is the corn? Yes, that's the corn. You found it. Great job, friends. Toby loves his corn. Now say it with me. Turkey, turkey.
Danny likes carrots. Can you help him find the carrot? Oops. That's not a carrot. Try again, friends. Yes, that's the carrot. Great job, friends.
Say it with me.
Donkey, donkey.
What shadow is this? I like to ruminate during breaks. Who am I? Great job.
Say it with me.
Buffalo, buffalo.
It's time to say goodbye. Let's wave goodbye to our friends. Bye-bye. See you next time. Next time, we'll meet more animal friends. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to meet more fruit friends.